Hi, it's time for an update on our IS69 entry door speaker refinishing project. Yesterday you saw there I put up a really short video. The ones that were painted yesterday were drying in their solar dryer, and it's been about 36 hours and it was time to take them all out. And one of the things that occurred to me when I went to open it up to gather them up and bring them back inside is you've seen a sample before of a IS69 painted in double espresso. One is very good. But what I realized when I opened up the solar dryer was that when you have a whole group of them, it becomes much more impressive. So this was yesterday's test painting samples, and we have 4 in double espresso and we have 3 in avalanche white. The castings were painted, the inserts were painted, the grills were painted, and I also painted screws. So we have white screws and double espresso screws. So when you mount one of these like this, it matches. What do you know? These are going to sit and dry inside now for another day. I'm going to adhere the grills and the inserts and then put buttons and speakers on the back of them, and they'll be ready to go. One of these is sold already, and I have a few other people on a waiting list that are interested, so we'll contact them. We'll probably be sending these out and get some initial reactions from people to see what they think. I hope you found this interesting and perhaps it'll be helpful. If it is, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube, because that always helps. There'll be a banner right here that shows you how to subscribe. Go to our YouTube homepage, click on the bell, and when you click on the bell, click on it to receive all notifications, and every time we post a new video, you'll get a notification and you can watch it. That's all for today. See you on the next video.